Which exercise is the best for your health? Cardio, strength, flexibility, balance? Actually, you need all four. And missing one could be even costing you energy, mobility, and even independence. I'm Dr. Ming, a physician and wellness explorer. Let's explore the 4 types of exercise that your body needs to stay strong, young, and sharp. 1 is the cardio. Cardio is the heartbeat hero. It's anything that gets your heart pumping. For example, brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing, jump rope. It boosts your heart health. It increases the stamina. It helps with weight control. Tips. Try the talk test. If you can talk but cannot sing, you are in the right cardio zone. 2. Strength training. Strength training isn't just for athletes. It's a secret for a strong and fired up metabolism. For example, is bodyweight squat or lunge or push-up, resistance band row, dumbbell lift, lifting groceries, or even carrying laundry. That counts also as strength training. It builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and protect bone density. Mythbuster. Lifting weight won't make you bulky. It makes you strong and toned. 3. Flexibility. Flexibility training keeps you limber and injury-free. Think it's like maintenance for your joints. For example, forward fold, hamstring stretch, cat-cow spinal movement, shoulder rolls, neck tilts, seated twists, yoga flow. It prevents injury, it improves your posture, and it keeps your joint mobile. Tip. Stretch after your workout when your muscles are warm, and never ever force a stretch. 4. Balance. Balance work sharpens your coordination and lower your risk of fall, especially important as you age. For example, stand on one foot and then like heel to toe walk, tai chi, some dancing, tree pose, yoga warrior pose, and then sit to stand without using hands. Okay, not pushing like a, but if you can do that, it's a good balance. It reduces your risk for fall. It improves coordination and it enhances your body awareness. Statistic. 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year. But just 5 minutes of balance training a few times a week could help prevent it. So you don't need a gym. You don't really need hours and hours, but just 10 minutes, like several times a week. It could make you feel more energized with fewer ache, better sleep, and just more confident in your body. So, which of the 4 you're already doing? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart health tips you can apply in your life. I'm Dr. Ming from Our Explorer. Stay curious, stay well, and see you in the next video.